And guys, we are now here in the Paladin Hotel and this is going to be our room number 22. Let's check it out. So there you go guys, as you can see, this is just a very basic room, but they do have the bed, the TV, AC, and everything that you need. They also have the hot and cold shower in the bathroom. So all these for just 1,200. Unfortunately, they are not serving breakfast these days. Maybe because of the current situation, they may not have a good number of guests, but that is something that we are not going to worry about because this place is just near. Actually, feeling ko this is the center of Baguio City, and around are food and the restaurants and all other establishments that we are going to visit. So there you go. And guys, after check-in, we are going out for an early dinner. We are going to get an early dinner and then back here for a good rest. So let's go. So guys, this is Baguio once again at 5 p.m. Did you miss this? At walang masyadong tao. Hey guys, it's officially evening. Sabi ko kanina we're going to have an early dinner pero sa sobrang layo ng lakad namin at wala kami masyado makitang kainan because some other restaurants are still closed. So, nandito kami ngayon sa, kilala niyo ba yung mga famous chandeliers na yan? Sa Pamana, here in Baguio, and fortunately they're open and we are going to have our dinner here. So they have some foods that are not yet available. So we only had gulay and isda, and we ordered this hot chocolate while waiting for the food. It's finally here. Let me show you sinigang na puro gulay. And this is tofu and bangus sisig. And of course, charan, rice. Our food is ready and so are we, so let's eat. Guys, our dinner, and we are about to go back to our hotel. Thank you, Pamana and Tsokolateria. Hi guys, just like what I mentioned that breakfast is not available in this hotel, so we are going to go out to find a good place to eat a good breakfast, so let's go, join us. So medyo hassle lang guys kasi you have to wear your mask and then your shoes. Just like this. is where our feet brought us. This is Cafe by the Ruins, just maybe around 5 minutes or less walk from our hotel, which is a Paladin hotel. And this is it. Breakfast in the garden. So we are just waiting for our breakfast to be served. We ordered their plated meal with free coffee. And I am not sure if they have limited menus. Well, it sounded like it is. Kasi sabi ni ate, some of the drinks and the food are not available. So maybe they have the limited menu. But I mean, good list, good enough. May selections, so you will be able to select at least sa breakfast nila. They have 4 plates na you can choose from. So that's good. So wait na lang natin if they still have this fantastic taste and presentation just like nung mga nakikita natin dati. And finally guys, our breakfast is here ready. We have this Ruins longanisa. I think it's a garlic longanisa and also the tinapang bangus. So let's try them. Let's eat. Quick, clean plate again. Actually, itong plate na to, both yung bangus at saka yung Ruins longanisa are both 340 and that comes with a cup of coffee. Yeah, medyo pricey siya for a plate meal pero kasi masarap naman siya. And alam mo, premium yung rice, premium yung yung bangus and then yung sausage. And ayun, malaki nga yung serving kaya ayan. May leftover again, so I think good na din siya for the price if you want to experience a very good tasting breakfast, siguro at least once, diba? That's again 340. May isa silang 380 na breakfast plate, I don't know kung ano yon, pero yun, around that price yung kanilang breakfast. And this is my second cup of coffee, and that is happiness. Let's drink to that. So guys, we are here in Brew, Read and Brew pala. This is like a library and a restaurant in one, pero it's most likely, it's more like a coffee shop pero nag-offer din sila ng mga rice meals and pasta. So let's check inside. And we are done here with our rice meals and some coffee, and let's go.